Right, this is the Dorchester Collection's entry to the Middle East. It's the Lana. I'm not saying anything because at the moment there's nothing to say. It's very masculine. I do like the fact that I've got an entertainment room, a kind of recovery room, but I won't be sitting here because the depth of the sofa is going to make it quite difficult for me to sit there and work. Those are fake books up there. It's very masculine. I've got a few nuts. Compared with other 5 stars in town, the VIP welcome could be said to be a little bit cursory. Some people would love this view. It's a marina with busy buildings the other side.